someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It is Sunday and I just left the Dollar Tree. So I got this little container from the Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna put all my Bath and Body Works stuff in here. Found these cute little name tags for wrapping gifts. And then I want to show y'all this cute little pajama set my friend got me. It says Barbie. Super cute. If y'all watch my vlog, not my vlog, my birthday unboxing, you would have saw that she got me a pair of socks. I'm trying to find them. Okay, so she got me a pair of socks, these tall socks. I love socks like these. And she got me this cute set. I thought this was so nice of her. This is so cute. I love pink. And no lie, y'all, I wanted this one so bad, but I could not find this one, so I ended up going with another one. But I really happy that she got me this. And I got this, came in today, this little cute little key ring. This is to go, this charm is to go on my new Louis Vuitton bag. I'm about to unpack my stuff, and I'm about to pack my stuff and just chill for tonight, and I'll probably come back on here tomorrow or next week. I don't know. But I want to show y'all this too. I picked up these cute little Christmas glasses from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to show y'all. These glasses say Christmas cheer. Hey y'all. So I'm back. I want to show y'all the dress I was supposed to wear for my birthday dinner, but I think I'm gonna send it back because where I'm gonna go, for real, we on lockdown, we don't got nowhere to go, so it's pointless. But it's so freaking cute. I'm gonna show y'all. I got it from Fashion Nova, but it's like the puff sleeves dress, but I know for a fact that I'll probably just get, I think I'm gonna take it back. Yeah, no need for it. I'm supposed to wear it with this money bag. This was gonna be a whole look. And I'm gonna show y'all the shoes I got from Macy's too, that I'm gonna take back, that I was gonna wear. So these shoes are 9 West, and they were just some pink pumps. So this is what the shoe look like. So I wanted to do like 2 tones of pink, but so it's pointless of keeping it. But I know that what Fashion Nova give gift cards back, you don't get a refund. So I think I'm gonna just buy me some jeans. I need some jeans, so I'm gonna just like, I got a couple of gift cards from them, so I'll probably just use them on some jeans. So I might do a Fashion Nova jean haul, maybe. I don't know, tall girl friendly, maybe. So progress, y'all. Some of the stuff is almost picked up, kind of. But yeah, I'll be back. I just wanted to show y'all that little outfit. My forehead big. Oh, don't judge. Pretty girls got big foreheads, remember that. But I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm about to just stock my lotions in here. Hey y'all, good morning. It is the day after Thanksgiving. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. However you celebrated. Today I am about to go run to Target. I have an online pickup order you know what I need to do? I noticed like when I record in my room, it has like a yellowish tint, especially at night. I need to change the bulbs in my vanity. If you can see, matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all. But as you can see, I have these clear bulbs and this gives me more of a yellowish tone. So I think I'm gonna try to switch them into the LED lights, like bright lights. But anyway, hopefully it gives me better lighting. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just switch my bulbs. I got so much clothes to wash, y'all, because I got put behind when I went out of town. A lot of shit to do, but I'm about to get ready for work, and I will talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. It's Saturday, November 28th. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I am not a morning person, but I am up and I am almost dressed, not completely, but that is a big accomplishment for me. You know, I am not, like I said, I repeat, I am not a morning person, but y'all know the holiday shopping is going on, and I'm kind of trying to beat traffic in the crowd. So I'm about to head out to the mall. I gotta pick up something from the Louis Vuitton store. So yeah, I am about to head in the car. See you guys in the car, or once I get to the mall. So this perfume, y'all, this is the perfume I'm wearing today. Smells so good. Hey y'all, so I'm thinking that the mall opened up early. I know it did yesterday due to Black Friday, but today they open at their regular hours, which I thought because it's the holiday they were open up, you know, they would continue to open up a little earlier, but I guess that's not the case. But when I Googled, because I wanted to go to Zara, and my plan was to go out to the mall earlier to look in Zara and then go to the Louis store, because they said they didn't open until 11, which I knew that, but it's not make no sense to me. You know? It just don't make no sense to me. It really don't. But so I'm about to head to the post office and then Dollar General. I need some laundry detergent so I can wash later, so I'm about to do that, and then I'm gonna probably see y'all when I get to the mall. Y'all, still not at my destination. I had to make Michael's stop because I ordered something earlier and they canceled my order, so I happened to pass one. So I'm about to see if they got what I'm looking for. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car. I'm about to head over to the other mall. I'm about to go to Morphe and probably Zara, and then I'll be back. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I went in Zara, Did not find anything. I found one thing that I liked, but it was like a skirt. It was only $20, but I mean, I just felt like that skirt was somewhere else. It's somewhere else out here. Like, I would run into it a little cheaper, like $12.99, $9.99, probably at Forever 21 or something. I mean, I like to get my dollars worth, and I don't think it was worth $20, so I passed. But I'm probably gonna put this under my little Christmas tree and maybe do like a Christmas unboxing video. I don't know, because I'm not really buying myself anything for Christmas or much, so I don't know. Maybe I'll do it in a separate video. I just went and spent basically like my birthday money that I got, so I went ahead and used that. Thank you, family and friends, again for the, you know, them coins. But yeah, so I'm about to cook, interview probably. Might close this vlog out, y'all, because I don't have nothing to do today. I'm about to start my other vlog. I'm about to put my Christmas tree up, so I'm gonna be doing that, and it's probably gonna be broke down into 2 videos. No, 1 video, but 2 different days. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Bye.